Hello, fellow gardeners. Let's start today with a beautiful verse from the Bible. And God said, "Let the earth bring forth grass, the herb yielding seed, and the fruit tree yielding fruit after his kind, whose seed is in itself upon the earth," and it was so. Now here's a positive quote to brighten your day. Gardening is the purest of human pleasures, Francis Bacon. Today, I'm excited to share the 18 best climbing vegetables you can grow vertically in your garden. Vertical gardening is a fantastic way to save space, achieve higher yields, and keep those pesky pests at bay. Plus, it's a great way to show off to your neighbors. Let's dive in, shall we? Grab your gardening gloves and let's get our hands dirty. First up, we have peas. Easy to grow and delicious, peas thrive on trellises and love plenty of sunlight. Just don't let them hear you say split pea soup. Next is cucumbers. These crunchy delights love to climb and perform best with sturdy netting or a trellis to support their vines. They also make great pickles, if you can resist eating them fresh. Then we have tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes in particular are perfect for vertical gardening and offer a burst of flavor in every bite. Just try not to eat them all before they make it to the kitchen. Don't forget about pole beans. They grow rapidly and can reach impressive heights, ensuring a bountiful harvest. It's like having your own beanstalk minus the giant. Zucchini and squash are also great climbers. Just make sure they have strong support as their fruits can get quite heavy. You don't want a squash avalanche. How about some melons? Yes, even melons can be grown vertically with the right support. Try cantaloupes or honeydews. Just be prepared for some curious looks from your neighbors. And don't overlook climbing varieties of spinach and kale. These nutrient-packed greens will thrive when given the chance to climb. Popeye would be proud. Eggplants too can be trained to grow vertically, providing you with beautiful and tasty vegetables. Just think of all the eggplant parmesan you can make. Now let's talk about some general tips for vertical gardening. Choose the right support structures like trellises or netting. Think of it as building a jungle gym for your plants. Make sure to water and fertilize them properly, and ensure they get enough sunlight. Plants are like us. They need food, water, and a good tan. Remember to keep an eye out for pests and diseases, and take action quickly to protect your plants. Think of yourself as the plant's personal bodyguard. To wrap up, vertical gardening with climbing vegetables is a rewarding and efficient way to maximize your garden space. Plus, it's a great conversation starter. Give it a try and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share if you enjoyed this video. Happy gardening, everyone! And remember, keep calm and garden on.